Hi friends, welcome to our channel Sanjay Naresh Entertainment. So today our topic is on simplifications. So in that mainly that is transposing. How to transposing when that simple equations or quadratic equations whatever may be maths ante భయం అనే దానిలో one of the major ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ ప్లే చేసేది కూడా మనకి ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ వస్తుంది. ఈ ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ కనుక వస్తే మనం సింప్లిఫికేషన్లో ఎంత అంటే అంత ఈజీగా దాన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడున్న ట్రిక్స్ మనం కరెక్ట్గా ఫాలో కాకుంటే మనకి ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా అది సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ కాదు. ఎందుకోసమని ఫస్ట్ మనకు ట్రాన్స్పోజింగే రానప్పుడు ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ని మనం ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం, అది సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ కాదు. సో మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే భయం అనే వాళ్ళు ఇప్పటి నుంచి దాన్ని ఈజీగా ట్రీట్ చేసే విధంగా మన వీడియోస్ రాబోతున్నాయి. సో దీనికోసం మనం రెగ్యులర్గా ఈ ఛానల్ని వాచ్ చేస్తుండండి, అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కూడా చేయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఆన్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఇస్ దట్ ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్? సో ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ is nothing but here to bring a term from one side of an equation to the other, so with corresponding change of sign. ఇంకా క్లియర్ గా చెప్పాలంటే ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ అంటే ఏం లేదు, మన ఈక్వేషన్ లో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ మీన్స్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ LHS ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ని RHS కి, RHS ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ని LHS కి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేయడం. సో LHS లో ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ ని మనం RHS కి, RHS లో ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ ని LHS కి, మనకి ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూను ఫైండ్ చేయడం కోసం ఎలా చేస్తాం అనేదే మన ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్. ఈ ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ ట్రిక్స్ కనుక మనం కరెక్ట్గా ఫాలో అయితే మ్యాథ్స్ని ఎంత అంటే అంత ఈజీగా మనం సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది. సో LHS అంటే మనకు తెలుసు లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, RHS రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ ని సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అంటే which have degree is 1. So which has degree is 1, that type of equation is called simple equation. For suppose I am writing here 5x equals to 10. So this is one of the simple equation only. Why? Because what is the degree of this x? 1. So hence this type of equations are called simple equations. This type of equations are called simple equations. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ లో ఫస్ట్ గా నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన మెథడ్ ఏముందంటే క్వాంటిటీస్ ని ఎలా ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేయాలి, ఒకవేళ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే అవి ఏమవుతుంది. సో మనకి మేజర్ గా we have major 4 operations on mathematics. So they are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So while taking in the transposing, so plus quantity becomes minus. So which means we have to transpose plus from left hand side to right hand side, we get minus like that. So minus quantity becomes plus and multiplication quantity becomes divided by, and divided by becomes multiplication. These are very important in the transposing. So now we are going to solve the problems in an easy way during this transposing. For example, 2y equals to 8. So this is our example. 2y is equals to 8. So which has degree is 1, hence this is simple equation. Our aim is to find what is the value of phi, what is the value of y. So in this equation first we need to identify what is the relationship between 2 and y. So 2y can be written as 2 into y equals to 8. 2 into y equals to 8. So I want to find this y value only. Y is multiplied by 2. So a multiplication term, multiplication 2 is transposing into RHS, we get divided by 2. This is very important. So now I want to write now here y equals to 8 as it is in the RHS. So multiplication 2 becomes here divided by 2. You can write here by 2. So now is it possible here in the 2 table, 2 4s are and 2 1s are. So which equals to 4. So how can we say that y equal to 4 is correct answer? Just you need to substitute this 4 here. So 2 into 4 equals to 8. Hence our 4 value is correct. We want to identify what is the relationship between these two first. So that is multiplication. So multiplication term transposing here we get division. Hence our y value is 4. Next, second example with this. Same example I am writing here. 2 plus y equals to 8. 2 plus y equals to 8. Once observe clearly here 2y, here 2 plus y. So what is the operation is there here? Here multiplication, here addition. So don't write again here y is equals to 8 by 2. That is wrong. Why? Because so what we have here operation plus and the sign of 2 is also plus only. So plus 2 transposing here we get minus 2. So hence that equation we can write y equals to 8 as it is. Plus 2 transposing we get what here? Minus 2. Simply you can write here minus 2. So y equals to 8 minus 2, that is 6. So once substitute here 2 plus 6 is equals to we get 8. So this is very important. 25 minus 3x is equals to 4. 25 minus 3x is equals to 4. What is our aim? To find x value. What is our aim? To find x value. But x is multiplied by 3. X is multiplied by 3. In this case, don't transpose this 3 here directly. We need to transpose first this term. Then only we can find the value of x. But here x term has negative only. Simply you can transpose this entire term into the right hand side. That is minus 3x is transposing, we get plus 3x. So here left hand side 25 equals to right hand side 4 plus 3x. So x has now positive. So simply now transpose this 4 into left hand side. So plus 4 transposing into left hand side we get minus 4 only. So simply transpose here we get 25 minus 4 equals to 3x. Subtraction. So we get 21 is equals to 3x. So what is our aim? To find the value of x only. But x is multiplied by 3. There is no sign between these two, a number and variable, that is 3x can be written as 3 into x only. So hence multiplication 3 is transposing, we get divided by 3 only. Simply you can write here 21 divided by 3 equals to x. But don't write 21 minus 3. Why? Because we need to remember is that what is the operation between these two, that is multiplication only. So here it is possible 3 7 are 21, x is equals to now 7. So this is the way when we have to find the values of x and y during the transposing. So let me take the next example. 2 of x minus 9 equals to x plus 2. So in the previous examples we have only one variable in the one side, either left hand or right hand side. But here we have one of the variable in the left hand side as well as right hand side. In this case, so what is the operation between these two terms first? We need to expand this. So bracket always indicates that is multiplication only. So here 2 is multiplied by x as well as 2 is multiplied by minus 9. If 2 is multiplied by x, we get 2x, and the sign here plus only, no sign is there, here minus, plus multiplied by minus, that is minus 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18 equals to x plus 2. So next our aim is to find variable separable here. So variable separable method is nothing but here we want to transpose variables aside and as well as numbers aside. So that is, so here 2x is there, here 1x is there. Which number is bigger? 2x. Simply you need to transpose the x here. First step I am writing here 2x minus 18 and plus x transposing we get here minus x only. Equals to as it is plus 2. Next, so I am writing these two terms together, that is 2x minus 18 equals to 2. Next, we need to transpose this number minus 18 into the right hand side. Minus 18 transposing we get plus 18. So that is 2x minus x is equals to 2 plus 18. So 2x minus 1x, which means 1x only, equals to 2 plus 18, that is 20. So this is the value when two variables are given in the both sides only. Follow this method, we get easily for all the variable values which are given in the simple equations. So follow this channel regularly and do subscribe all of you. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much.